Ever wondered how animators create those mesmerizing, fluid movements? Today, we're diving into keyframes in Adobe Animate and mastering the art of smooth animation, ensuring your creations look professional and visually appealing. Let's get started. First, let's create a simple shape, like a circle. Place it where you want it to start, say, on the left side of your stage. Important step. Now, go to around frame 20, for example, and insert another keyframe with that new keyframe selected. Move your circle shape to the right side of the stage. Now you have two keyframes. You should now see a basic movement, but it's still rigid. Next, select anywhere between those keyframes. Notice the Properties panel. We need to make this movement more natural. This is where easing comes in. Choose an easing option. Ease out to start slow and speed up towards the end, or ease in to start fast and slow down towards the end. Experiment. Observe the change. You should now see a much smoother transition for the eye to process. The movement should appear a lot more natural. To take it further, add more keyframes and vary position and easing for more complex animations. With enough practice, you can become a master of smooth animation in Adobe Animate. Now go ahead and try it out. And that's all for today.